Right, the wait is over. The M Performance diffuser is here. I did order this a few weeks back, but I ordered it to my brother's house and finally had time to come and pick it up. So it's here. It's from R44 Performance. It is secondhand, so it's not one of a brand new one, but the deal that I got on it, man, like, I'm not complaining at all. It looks really good, but let me go ahead and show it to you. Here it is. I think it looks sick. Full carbon, genuine carbon, lacquered over. It's light. Not really too worried about weight reduction, but it's light. You can see the weave looks bad, and the gloss finish on it as well looks good. It's gonna pop. It's going to match the rest of the carbon that's on the car as well. So, to be honest, I think it's going to look fucking wicked. Let me flip it over. So there is, there's mountain holes. I think it all uses OE, zoom out a bit. I think it all uses OE holes to clip into. But, so that'll be fine. So it uses existing hardware. It's got clips on here as well. So these will guide it. This will sort out the fitment and lock it in. There is one broken one here. It's still attached, but it's a bit flaccid. So I might put some epoxy or silicone or some glue on there just to hold that in place. I'm not really worried about it, to be honest. But it's just one thing to note with second-hand parts. But I knew about it anyway. The listing, like Reese put it up. And he said, or the listed said that, yeah, it's got a damaged clip, but there's some fucking deals to be had when it comes to some of the kit that they put on eBay. So that's that. Hopefully, could rack it on the car shortly. So that's the M Performance style carbon diffuser delivered. It's new to me, so there is a broken clip on there, but I'm not really worried about it, to be honest. When it comes to the fitment, one clip in the middle isn't going to really bother me. But it looks good. Can't wait to put it on the M2 and see what it looks like, and that should finish off the back end. So that's the carbon exhaust tips done, the M Performance ones on the M Performance exhaust. The M Performance rear spoiler is on now as well, so this will tidy up the back end. The comp wheels are on. I haven't showed you the comp wheels, so they're on now in satin black. They will go a different color later on, but I'm not going to announce what color it's going to go, but when it happens, then then that'll be good. Aside from that, I think this side of the Nurburgring, there's not going to be anything else. We're going to go this weekend from the 23rd onwards. So I think on this side, in terms of mods, I don't think there's going to be anything else. The wheels are on, tyres have been checked, tracking's been done. I think that's everything else. In terms of servicing, everything's top notch, everything's up to standard. So what's left for the M2? Some sort of splitter or front spoiler, whatever you want to call it, wherever you are. Some sort of front splitter needs to go on the car. I'm thinking the comp style full splitter rather than the little canard fins at the front. So they'll go on. the sides, I'll go for the M Performance little fins instead, you know, the flick ups in carbon as well. I'm not a big fan of the longer ones, and I think if you can do that, you need a more aggressive diffuser than what I've went for. But to be honest, you've either got subtle, like what I've got, or you've got, like, you know, huge aggressive fins and additional side spats on the diffusers, and it's not for me. I think I'm probably a bit old for that now. Maybe a couple of years ago, I would have bought something. I would have bought a diffuser that was more aggressive, a front splitter that was probably sticking out a bit more like a BTCC style one than what I went for. But for me, this time, this is perfect. So I'm gonna get some time while the weather's good, get out there, get under the car and get this diffuser on, and let's see how it looks. I'll see you in a bit.